Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, my dear.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
I want to announce something really happy to me.
Yes, Sudhirta.
Ma'am, 2 into 2b whole plus c is always a prime if b and c are 3, 5 or 7.
Come again.
And 2b whole plus c is a prime if b or c is 3, 5 or 7.
Are all? Sudhirta, your voice is not clear.
What is this, Sudhira?
Formula for primes.
Children, switch on your camera so that we can start the class quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, my dear.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, last class before break.
Yes. So we'll start the class. How? Your cameras are off. Quickly switch on your camera, children. So we were doing the story of village Palampur, right?
Yes.
Only 15 children have joined. No worries. I will still start the class. Sharing my screen. Just a moment. We need to finish this chapter today because this is the last class we are having before holidays, right? Sharing my screen. Once it is visible, please let me know. Is it visible, children?
Yes. Yes.
This was all done. We were doing the non-farm activities, right?
Yes.
Page number. We were done with this table. So we were done with the example of Mishri Lal and Kareem?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we have to start with the transport.
I'm shopkeepers.
Shopkeepers in Palampur. Okay. Now, people involved in trade, that means exchange of goods and services, right, are not many in Palampur. The traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale markets in the cities and sell them in the village. Mostly in the village, we see the same setup where the small shopkeepers that are there in the villages, no, they go to cities, they buy the stuff and then they sell it into the villages. So you will see small general stores in the village selling a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candles, all of it. Means whatever a person might need, you will find those in the grocery stores in the villages. A few of the families whose houses are close to the bus stand have used a part of their space to open small shops. Many a times when you visit bus stations and all, you will see some tea stalls nearby, serving tea, coffee, and some snacks. So people nearby who are living to the bus stand, they have opened small shops. They sell eatables. Right? It is a general scenario. No, in the small towns and cities also you see the same thing, not only in villages. Now, Kareem has opened a computer class center in the village. In recent years, a large number of students have been attending college in Shahpur town. That means there is a college there in Shahpur town. Kareem found that a number of students from the village are also attending computer classes in the town. There were two women in the village who had a degree in computer applications. He decided to employ them. He bought computers and set up the classes in the front room of their house, overlooking the market. High school students have started attending them in good numbers. So that means there was opportunity that was taken advantage of by Kareem, who has opened the computer classes in his house itself and has appointed two teachers, two women, right? That means he not only initiated a work for himself, but also he gave employment to others also. Not only this, he has increased the prospects of better educational facilities in his own village. Isn't it? By opening the computer classes.
Ma'am, and also he's making a lot of profit since he's doing it in his house, not in a
Right,
rented
he is not
place.
paying the rent and all, right? So he is into capital formation also, right? Now, in what ways is Kareem's capital and labor different from Mishri Lal? Mishri Lal, remember here, sugarcane manufacturing machine and all. So, in what ways Kareem's capital and labor are different from Mishri Lal? Understand, when we talk about Mishri Lal, sugarcane crushing machine was his capital, fixed capital, whereas computers are the fixed capital for Kareem. Whereas when we talk about the labor employed by Mishri Lal was whereas here no
Teachers.
you can see
Teachers skilled.
right, but here the labor which is hired is a skilled labor. Can you understand the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
Right. Is it only Pravit or everyone?
No doubt.
Children? No doubt. Okay. So only two boys in my class responding. What about others?
No,
Didn't had your breakfast?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am. See, Akmal said no, ma'am. Akmal will have it in the next period when ma'am will be teaching. He will switch off his camera and then say, ma'am, I'm eating. Huh, Akmal? Okay. Why didn't someone start a computer center earlier? What could be the reasons?
Ma'am, because they didn't have enough of money to invest in the computers.
Huh?
Ma'am, computers didn't come yet to the village.
Maybe people, very good, Praveer. People were not that educated and people were not having that much of capital to set up the computer center. Both possibilities can happen, isn't it? So now when, see, it was not that people were not educated, because it is saying that the two women are holding a degree in computer. Maybe they didn't think about it before, or investing. See, and also you can understand it's a male dominating society where women are not given lot of liberty and opportunity. It's not that the constitution does not provide. It is the, because of the patriarchal male dominating society, the women, they do not get so much of liberty at home, and that too in a village, isn't it? So that also can be a possible reason, right? Moving further to transport. There are variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to Raiganj. Rickshawalas, tongawalas, jeep, tractor, truck. Drivers and people driving the traditional bullock cart and bogie are people in the transport services. So these are the transport facilities available in the village Palampur. They ferry people, or that means they take people or carry people and goods from one place to another, and in return get paid for it. The number of people involved in transport has grown over the last several years. Kishore is a farm laborer. Like other such laborers, Dhriti, can you read it for me?
I'm sorry, there was a lot of background noise.
Okay.
Now should I read it from the start?
Yeah.
Kishora is a farm laborer. Like other such laborers, Kishora found it difficult to meet his family's needs from the wages he received. A few years back, Kishora took a loan from the bank. This was under a government program which was giving cheap loans to poor landless households. Kishora bought a buffalo with this money. Now he now sells buffalo's milk. Further, he has attached a wooden cart to his buffalo and uses it to transport various items. Once a week, he goes to the river Ganga to bring back clay for the potter. Or sometimes he goes to Shahpur with a load of jaggery or other commodities. Every month, he gets some work in transport. As a result, Kishore is able to earn more than he used to some years back.
Right. So now the question follows is, what is Kishora's fixed capital? What do you think is his fixed capital?
Ma'am, the cart.
The buffalo which is been tied to a cart. So the cart, right? The wooden cart which he is using is his fixed capital along with buffaloes, right? What else? What do you think would be his working capital?
Milk.
Milk
and pot, clay.
That money
Transport.
that he gets. No, money in hand is the working capital. Because whatever money he is earning by selling the milk is being used to buy the clay. Whatever pottery is made is sold into the market again. So that means there is exchange of goods for which he is earning money, right?
Yes,
Then in how many production activities is he involved?
Ma'am, three.
What are they?
Transport, bringing clay, and
Milk.
Not bringing clay, making the pottery and the jaggery.
Milk.
Right. So those are his production activities. Would you say that Kishora has benefited from better roads in Palampur?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it clearly says that he is able to earn more than what he used to do some years back. Right. So that means better roads has definitely helped him in improving his economic condition. Economic condition means the monetary value that he is earning now is better than he used to earn before. Right? So we are done with this chapter. We'll quickly discuss the question answers. Now, every village in India is surveyed once in 10 years during the census, and some of the details are presented in the following format. Fill up the following based on the information of Palampur. Location, total area of the village, land in use. We have all discussed in the beginning of the chapter. Cultivated land, which is irrigated, unirrigated, and land not available for cultivation. That means dwelling roads, ponds, and all 26 hectares. Yes, Siddhant? Yes, you can do the question answers yourself. You are a grown-up boy. Right? Moving on further, then facilities that are available to the people, educational, medical, market, electric supply, then communication, nearest town, all that, no, is there mentioned in the beginning of the chapter. So you can remember, we underlined also the nearest towns, the communication mediums, the electricity supply, all that is mentioned in the beginning of the chapter. Then comes modern farming methods require more inputs which are manufactured in industry. Do you agree? So you have to, don't just write agree or not agree. You have to provide explanation for or justification for the answer that you write. Right? The points to justify your answer. How did the spread of electricity help the farmers in Palampur? Again, you have to give valid points in support of your answer. It is important to increase the area under irrigation. Why? So all this we have discussed in detail while doing the chapter. Construct a table on distribution of land among 450 families of Palampur. I hope it will not be a problem, because we have discussed how many people are landless, how many are with these small land holdings and large farmers. So you have to make a distribution table for the land that is distributed among the 450 families of Palampur. Right? How many people are landless, all that is given. The numbers are given in the book, and you have underlined also when we were discussing the topic. Why are the wages for farm laborers in Palampur less than the minimum wages? Can anyone tell me this answer?
Ma'am, because it requires unskilled, ma'am, because it doesn't require much of a skill.
No, see, why are wages for farm laborers less in Palampur? That means minimum wages have been prescribed by the government, but still their wages are lesser than the prescribed wages. What can be the reason?
I think there are too many people for work, so they agree for less.
Exactly, very good, Dheeraj. There are the more number of people available than the number of people required. So that means if one person says no also, the other person will agree, isn't it? So there is no scope for people to bargain for the wages that they are getting. Right? In your region, talk to two laborers. Choose either the farm laborer or the worker working in laborers working at construction sites. What wages do they get? Are they paid in cash or kind? Do they get work regularly? Are they in debt? Please do not go anywhere to talk to anybody. Skip this question. I would not suggest you going out anywhere talking to anybody, because every year children used to do this question compulsorily. Question number 7, Siddhant. Put a cross there, okay? So you are not going anywhere and you are not going to come in contact with anyone or interact with anyone for this one question.
Can we just copy of the answer from the internet?
No needs. Sure, yeah?
Fine.
Right? Just strike it off. We are not going to do it. Right? Instead, if you want, you can modify. 1 minute, Siddhant, let me finish. You can modify this question in case a house help or a maid is coming to your house, or there are watchmen in your building or society. In case if you are interacting with them, then you can modify the question and do that. Otherwise, absolutely no need. Put a cross over there. Siddhant, I hope you understand why are we into the online classes and not the physical school. So you should understand the importance of staying home, so maintaining social distancing and staying at home all the time away from any kind of interaction from outsiders where you don't know who is the carrier for COVID, this virus. Person, it won't be written on his face, no, that I'm COVID infected. Right? Moving on to the next question. What are the different ways of increasing the production on the same piece of land? Use examples to explain. We have discussed multiple cropping. Then we have also discussed the use of modern techniques, HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers and all that. So you will be explaining this question in detail. right? Then describe the work of a farmer with 1 hectare of land. We have discussed this while doing the chapter, and you have underlined also. So you will be explaining it here properly. So how will the farmer with only 1 hectare of land works, right? How do the medium and large farmers obtain capital for farming, and how is it different from the small farmers also we have discussed. On what terms did Savita get the loan from Tejpal? Would Savita's condition be better if she could get a loan from the bank at low interest of rate? Remember, we did the case study of Savita. So I want you to answer the second part of the question. Would Savita's condition be different if she could get a loan from the bank at a low rate of interest? Do you remember the condition of loan for Savita?
Yes.
Can somebody tell me?
24% interest, and she has to work for him for a specific amount of days.
Perfect. So that was the condition, right? So would her condition be different if she could get a loan from the bank at a low rate of interest? What is your opinion? Riya?
Ma'am, it would be
Wait,
good for
Praveet, not all the answers from one child. The people who are happily sitting with your cameras off now, I'm going to push you in the waiting room now. One minute, Siddhant. Still, still I can see many of the cameras off. Mari, again your camera is off today. Should I keep you in the waiting room? Arishi, Meghna? Okay, Siddhant, no problem. What about others? Bari, still you are not responding. Meghna? Yes, Riya.
Ma'am, if she would have got the loan at low interest, I think it would be better for her. She would have been able to. Because her condition while Tejpal Singh was 24% with interest loan, right? So if she would have gotten a lesser interest, I think it would be better for her.
Prathimesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer for the same question.
I'm actually not sure for the answer.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I'm not sure about the answer.
You are not sure. Give it a try.
I was actually going to ask you after everyone was done answering.
Shaurya.
Yes, ma'am.
What,
ma'am? I was sneezing.
What are we discussing, Shaurya? You are first of all.
Ma'am, the question answers. Which
questions?
11th question.
What were you doing, Shaurya?
Now I was reading the book.
You were reading a book when
I
we
was
were...
not a book, the book. I was
Which?
looking behind for answers. The economics book.
Which book?
Ma'am, the book that you're showing, ma'am.
The same book, economics book?
Yes.
So where were you looking at?
Yeah, I was looking behind. I got lost. Sorry. But I was listening.
Beach mein. Huh?
It's fine as right.
11th question.
11th
Second
question.
part.
On what terms did Savita get a loan from Tejpal Singh?
Tejpal Singh.
Tejpal Singh.
Second part of the question you have to answer.
Would Savita's condition be different if she could get a loan from the bank at a lower rate of interest? I don't remember. What was this story?
Very good, Shaurya. Utkrisht.
Ma'am, I think her condition would have been better if she had taken the loan from a trusted bank, because here she is taking a loan from Tejpal Singh, who is charging a lot higher interest. The bank might have charged a lower interest, and it could even have, the conditions might have not been so tough. Like it would not ask her to work in his farm kind of thing.
1 second, Utkarsh. Very good, Utkarsh. Your answer is absolutely correct. So what happens is there are two types of credit that are available to us. The formal source of credit and the informal source of credit. Children, am I audible properly still and my video
Yes,
is
ma'am.
fine?
Yes.
Okay, right. So there are two types of credit available to us, the formal source of credit and the informal source of credit. So when we talk about the formal source of credit, all of it is arranged by the banks, where there are a specific rate of interest and all the rules are properly laid down. Whereas when we talk about the wait, Siddhant, first listen and understand to what I'm explaining. When we talk about informal source of credit, the credit is provided by the money lenders in the bank, right? The rate of interest is not fixed with the money lenders. It is entirely up to their own wish, how much amount of interest they are going to charge, what is the amount of time they will give to the person who is getting the loan from them, and what are the collaterals that they will ask for. Collaterals and all are the securities that are kept with the bankers or with the people who are lending you the money. You can say as a kind of security deposit. So in case of informal source, all these things are not clear. So when we talk about Savita's condition, it could have definitely been better, because first of all, the rate of interest would not have been so high. There would be proper rules and conditions laid down by the bank who is providing the loan to her for a specific time period.
I mean, also she can pay less down
1
payment.
second. Yes, Pravit, you were saying something?
I mean, also she can pay less down payment to it.
The return also, the way she is working as a bonded labor on the field of Tejpal Singh would not have happened in case she would have got the loan from the bank. Siddhant, we are discussing question number 11. That means you are also not paying attention when we are discussing the questions. Then why are you again and again asking the question? Do not think, just pay attention. Is it clear to everyone, the 11th question?
Yes.
Chalo, moving on to the next question. Prathamesh, is it clear to you also?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Moving on to 12th question. Talk to some old residents in your region and write a short report on change in irrigation and changes in production methods during the last 30 years. This so you can discuss with your parents as well. They will tell you how the water supply was 30 years back and how it is now. Right? So just a general discussion with your parents. No need to write this question in the notebook. Right? But do discuss with your parents. All right? 1 second. Make sure you discuss this question with your parents, but no need to write it in the notebook. All right? Moving on to the next one. What are the non-farm activities taking place in your region? Make a short list. What are the non-farm activities that are taking place in our region, means in our place, right? Then what can be done so that more non-farm production activities can be started in the village? So you have to give your suggestions as to,
I'm educating the people.
Come again?
I'm educating the people.
Educating the people, but very good. That would be a condition, right? But what are the non-farm production activities? You have to name the non-farm activities that is still they have a scope for getting started in the villages.
We were weaving.
Like there are small kirana shops. Yes, Kaushik, you have raised hand.
Ma'am, loan should be at a lower interest so that they can start their own farm activities.
No, that is fine. But what are the non-farm activities? Name the non-farm activities like this person. No, here. 1 second. We discussed about. 1 second. Kareem, who has opened computer classes, no? In the village, which is a non-farm activity. So what are such non-farm activities that are still available in the or that can still be started in the village?
That's what I told you, man. Classes, extra classes, educating people.
Coaching classes can be opened, yes. Then
they can open school and they can hire teachers.
schools are already there. School is already there. If you read the chapter.
Development so that they can.
Vocational courses can be started. No, people can be taught to develop various different kind of skills, right? To start a small business in their homes, right? Think about it and then write at least 5 non-farm activities that still can be started in the village, Palampur, right? So we are done with this chapter. I'm stopping the screen share and I'm just going to take the attendance. Please do not leave the class or else you will be marked absent. 1 second, I'll just open the file. Yeah. Calling out the names. Today is 22/4, right? Arshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, if you are there, quickly say present. Keep yourself unmuted. Afifa?
Yes, ma'am.
Akmal?
Present, ma'am.
Awais Karni? Absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Dheeraj? Bhavyash? Absent. Dhriti?
Yes, ma'am.
Hasini?
Yes, ma'am.
Kiona?
Yes, ma'am.
Kaushik? Mahi? Mahi? Absent. Manvi Srivastav?
She doesn't attend first period.
Manvi Mishra?
No, wait, Mani Mishra doesn't attend first period.
Meghna? Meghna was there. Siddhant? Bari? Rajnandini?
I'm present.
Praveer?
Ma'am.
Bari present.
Bari, I'll mark you absent. The whole period you haven't responded. Rishika? Rishika, is Rishika there? No? Ria?
Present, ma'am.
Shaurya?
Present, ma'am.
Surya?
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Arva?
internet is not good. I'm not able to hear any.
Arva? Who said, ma'am, my internet? Who is that? Sudhirda?
Present, ma'am.
Utkrisht?
Present, ma'am.
Prathmesh?
Present, ma'am.
Right. So is there anything in the chapter that you haven't understood, children? All done, everything understood? So we are done with 2 chapters, one in geography and one in economics, right? Most probably in the 3rd week of June, you will have your first assessment, right? So make sure during the holidays, please utilize the time. Do not waste your time, right? So we have something more once we join back. I'm ending the session. Please join back quickly. I'll give you the transition time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. Is the second period mine or is it
What's here?
mine only, right?